All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new tab page in iOS 15 Safari. So let's open up Safari first, and I'm on my start page. But to get to your tab page, what you got to do is come down to those two little boxes, click that, and you're going to notice it shows this one page in here. So if I want to add another page, I've got to come down here, and I'm going to click the plus sign. And then I'm just going to put in there Google. And then I've got it in there, I just got to hit go. And there it is. Now, if I go back, I'm going to look, I'm going to see, I got a bunch of stuff in there. Let's go ahead and add Twitter by just doing that. And then let's go back. So now my start page turned to Twitter. Now let's say I want to add another page on here. Notice how they're not laying on each other like they did in the other iPhone versions. So let's add another thing. Let's go ahead and put in here Surfline. I'm going to hit go. And then I'm going to go back to this little things here. And now look, so now I've got 3 different tabs open. And if you look down here, it says 3 tabs. So I click on that and it shows that. Now, if I wanted to create a group, I could go here and just go like that. And it says enter a name for this tab group. I could call it, eclectic or whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to do it though. I'm just going to cancel that. And then I'm going to go to this one here, and it's going to have all of those in there, and it's going to ask you to do the same thing, but I'm not going to do it. And here I'm just going to hit done. And so that's how you use the tabs. Now, if you want to get rid of a page, all you do is click here, and it's gone. All you do is click here on this little X, and it's gone. Now I only have 1 tab open, and down here it says 1 tab. And that, if I'm done there, when I click this, it's going to go to that page. And bam, there I am on the Google page. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use iOS 15 on your iPhone. Peace out.